I left my place. It took like one hour from my place to South Mugango. And that is in Chitago, Bravo. At Chitago, Bravo, I found there were many people, of course, picking forms, because it's the whole ward which was there. It was the area MCA. We spoke to the people. We gave many people, many speakers who spoke. Then, in the talking, tukamaliza. I went even the ACC's office. Akaniambia, because you have come to my place, lazima uweke kidole kwa mwili.
Okay. Which area now?
That is Chitago. Chitago, Bravo.
Oh, Chitago.
Yeah. Actually, nikaenda kwa kitabu, nikaandika visitors book. Then nikawaacha. I left for Getenga ward. I drove to Getenga again. People were many. Mpaka kwa barabara ndani ilikuwa imejaa the whole field. Tukaongea na wao, we finished. Baada ya kumaliza, I proceeded to Motijo. Motijo is the area MCA. He was with me from the word go. We went to him. In the police station, there is a police station in that field, na kila kitu. We held a very big, them they were more organized.
Okay.
Sitting down, kuongea na wananchi, all of us leaders, tukamaliza, we left to his ward, Boikanga ward. We also, we go to the market. Now people who are being given bursaries, watu wakakimbia pamoja. There are those ones who had not received. Akasema tujapata, nikamwambia na watu wa nikiwa nimefika hapa. You get the forms. Therefore, he introduced all other visitors. Actually, this is my CC. He comes from there. The MCAs who he was there spoke. Other ministers spoke. Akaongea, akanipea mic. People, they are dancing. Wamewekewa muziki, they are dancing. Nikachukua mic. Kuongea kidogo, nikaona watoto wanakimbia. Nikaambia watu, hey, wacha kukimbizana. Kumbe, it was not watoto. Watoto wameona. Of a sudden, the area member of parliament had come. Kulikuwa na vioski hivi kwa uwanja. Ameshuka, amebeba bunduki. I'm told for those ones who waliona, yeah, there were 3 AK-47 na bunduki.
This is which area?
This Boikanga now.
Boikanga ward.
Yes. At Nyakembene.
Boikanga.
Yes.
The market is called Nyakembene.
Nyakembene. Then, naambia watoto wasitoroke, before hata watoroke nasikia risasi inalia. What is happening? Sasa risasi zikaanza kupigwa. Now every person now has to take cover. Watu wanakimbia, watu wanakanyagana. Myself, of course, the bodyguard had to take me away. Because the risasi, I'm told even they were aiming this side we were. You know, now they are the people the other side wanasema. Wakati walini mmoja alisimama anataka kupiga risasi where we were.
Sorry, maybe Boikanga iko area gani particularly which
It's South
Mugango.
It's in
Oh,
Nyamarambe
it's still
sub-county.
in South Mugango.
Nyamarambe sub-county.
Okay.
Yeah. Therefore, now there was chaos all over.
This was a honorable.
Osoro. It's Osoro now who was doing all these things. Therefore, wakavunja magari. Actually they came, wakati waliposhuka, walianza kuvunja magari. Hizi magari tulikuwa nazo. Hata gari yangu hapo imevunjwa, nasikia chiwe imepiga ivunja that part ya kushikilia kioo nyuma. Hapa chini imevunjwa. Then unajua sisi tulikuwa kule nao ndani. Gari za hao wafanyakazi wa county tulikuwa na wao zimevunjwa. All of them, that actually most of them zimevunjwa. Then risasi zilipiwa nyingi. Every person had to take cover because we didn't know wanapiga risasi za nini and what was the reason. You know, even he had not stepped into the meeting. Amefika kwa barabara hapo, risasi ndio zinaanza.
Alikuwa na guns.
Yeah, he had 3 vehicles.
Yeah.
Four. He had come in with 4 vehicles.
Na kulikuwa na polisi.
There weren't police. The only police is my bodyguards actually. there were no uniform police because exercise all through it's peaceful. We don't anticipate that there was to be an incident to mobilize the police because we're issuing bursaries to the very poor, vulnerable people. Therefore, finally I'm discovering kumbe kuna mtu alipigwa risasi safe ilipita na hii sikio. Yuko hapo hospitalini.
It was about what time?
That was at around 2:30 there. Yeah, it was around 2:30 there. Therefore now we had to come out. My bodyguard had now to secure the place. I got in. We drove mpaka nyumbani. Na mimi mahali niliruka, I think I strained so much. It's unfortunate that very, very innocent people wameumia. The motive for shooting, we don't know. What is it? Why he had to do that? We did not expect him, because he has been commenting on social media that this exercise ni bure. Therefore, kama ni bure, I did not expect him to appear kwa bure exercise. And I'm told he was at Nyamarambe in his office, reporting also to give bursary forms. Yes.
His name is.
So, what is the name of Omoga? The full names of Omoga?
Fred Omoga.
Fred Omoga.
That's Mwanga.
Omuga. O-M-U-G-A.
Unajua amekuja na damu nyingi na mwagika. Amekuja na damu nyingi sana inamwagika. Acha nikasema I cannot. Hapa yote damu. Nyingine inaweza imeganda. Kaambia peleka hiyo hospitali because now mimi sio daktari wakati you have to be taken to the hospital. Yeah, this is the person. Actually, this is the person. Mimi sasa nimepita kwa hiyo huko.
Unamjua? Unamjua?
Ni chairman wa nini? Ni chairman. Is it a chairman?